I shall block the wind for ye.
Cardboard's just not burning.
It's just so windy, but oh, here we go, yes!
No.
Oh.
It kind of just got...
Oh! So cool!
Oh, incredible! The best was when the one came shooting up.
I have the pyramids for doing that thing.
So good.
That is so freaking awesome.
I have one pyramid. A Chinese grenade.
Hurry, burn at the end of it. The end of it.
Wow.
Go! Jeez!
Oh, man! Whoa!
That was awesome.
Look at that smoke ring. That was sweet.
That sound is awesome.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't even actually.
Okay.
Go.
Come on.
Oh, crap. Bam.
Yeah, that was great.
Oh gosh. Go.
Throw it now.
Throw it. Oh man.
You're the water.
That was awesome.
Did it?
Get it. I didn't get it. There wasn't much to see, but it just whoosh. And you could hear the water. I wish I threw it like a little later. Yeah. Okay. God, this is so good. This is so funny.
Alright.
Do you have it recording? Not yet. Here's what I have to do it, I think.
Whatever. Alright. I'm gonna light it.
Alright. See ya. Still getting back. Hey, Robert.
It's nerve-wracking.
Hey, Santiago.
You got it.
Robert's
It's not lighting.
Robert, run! Run! Run, Dad, run! They just explode. They don't, like, shoot.
Like,
I'm putting it out? I hope it's not killing the fire. Oh, it's catching, it's catching.
Yes. This is awesome. I hope this works well.
It should. I hope it does.
We'll probably have to wait a little bit.
Once they start
that's
going
part of the
off,
fun. You put some bladder fluid on there?
I don't think we have any.
Nah, I didn't bring any.
Shoot. I think they kind of slid off a little bit on that fire. Ah, well.
Oh, go.
I don't want to go back over there. All right, who gets to be the brave soul to go back over there and
it's starting to catch on.
Yeah. It's learning some new tricks.
They'll start lighting each other once they all start going off. Over here.
Oh shit! Oh. There's still so many.
Yeah. They really are.
Dang it. A lot of them are down.
Oh crap.
The rest of that box needs to catch.
Oh, come on.
Uh-oh. Oh, come on.
Shit. Do we have any more newspaper or magazine?
Oh, wait, look, it's spreading again.
The wind is...
We need more wood. I don't really want to go with it. Is it wet? It's all, it doesn't feel that wet.
There we go. It's starting to catch again.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, shoot. It needs to move towards the back because that's where all the rest of the bottle rockets are. They kind of slid off.
You want to go put...
The wind.
Start spraying some lighter fluid on there.
We don't have any.
Oh. Wait. Ryan's
Pour some
gonna do it.
cutane on.
Come on.
Oh.
Random?
Yeah.
It just, I think a gust of wind.
Oh my gosh! Yeah! What? Oh my gosh!
No way. That was a good one.
Oh, there are more.
There's a bunch of that. Yeah, the wind blew up and it...
Thank you, Mother Nature.
God, that looks so cool. What?
Oh, that was like a...
Box. I think that's it.
There's no way that's it.
I'll go. Shit. That was like pretty close.
Yeah, it was right. Yeah.
What? Okay.
Is it safe? It's not safe at all. But go.
Do it.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Jeez. There was a pile that was untouched.
We need more wood. I don't know how much is left.
Probably not a ton.
I moved the fire on top
a
of
shit ton went off already.
Yeah. Went down.
I love the spinning ones.
I know.
Put this.
Like, I can kind of go. I'm working on it.
Those are the ones the sticks probably burned through already.
Yeah. Mercy. I guess I'll go see how many are left.
One.
I'm gonna turn my camera off.
Oh.
Oh.